guys, so today I am giving my review of the Sheer Blonde Go Blonder Lightening Shampoo. So I had talked about this previously, but I don't know if I really described it or like showed you it. So it is like this color when it comes out. It is like bright yellow shampoo. So it gradually lightens for a sunlit blonde. So in case you're wondering what it is, it says that it's color depositing, that it's ammonia and peroxide free, so it's safe for use on natural or color treated hair and for use on highlights and lowlights. So it is formulated with citrus and chamomile. So that is what's in it that's supposed to lighten your hair a bit without causing any like drying or damage. So I have used it 3 times, and it doesn't say to leave it in for any extended period of time. It just says to gently work through wet hair, lather, rinse well, and follow with the conditioner. I didn't get the conditioner. I'm not a huge conditioner. Anyways, so I'll show you the before and after pictures. So it smells pretty nice. It's got a little bit of an herbally smell because obviously it has chamomile in it, so there's a little bit of that and citrus. So it smells nice. It lathers great. It's not sulfate free or anything like that. Sorry, Michael's here again. He loves when I sit on this bench. Anyways, so it feels nice. I've only used it 3 times, so I don't know that that's enough time to even show any like substantial before and after difference. I feel like I've been doing a lot of the videos with the purple shampoos, so I was like surprised that it wasn't purple, but I shouldn't be because it's not a purple shampoo. Like it doesn't even say it is, so. But that's what I was originally shopping for when I got this. Anyway. Neither here nor there. The point is, I do like it. It feels nice. My hair looks good. I don't think it, like my roots are starting to come in from my color job, and it doesn't look like there's any substantial difference as far as like it doing anything to my root area. So I don't think it's gonna like, it's not gonna take brown or black hair and make it lighter. It's just going to lighten your already blonde hair a teensy bit more, is my guess. But anyways, I'll show you the before and after, and you can make your own decision based on that. It was not cheap. Now, I went to CVS. I love CVS, and there's a new one near me, and it was like glorious when I walked in. It's so pretty. Anyways, so this was 15 bucks, and it is 8.3 fluid ounces. So it is like a large thing, but still $15. I'll double check. I'll put the price below. If I can find it cheaper, I'll put the link below. Whenever I have a link below, I usually try to find the cheapest price. Anyways, I will leave a couple links for this below. Yeah, let me know what you think. I don't think it's like damaging or anything like that. I like the color. I don't know that it really did much in 3 shampoos, but I do think it's pretty, and I don't have anything against using something like this, especially when it's summertime and you might just want to brighten up your blonde a little bit more. Yeah. That is it. So thank you guys so much.